Here's how to make delicious whipped coffee. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of instant coffee to a clean bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. White sugar will also work for this recipe. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of boiling water to the whipped coffee mixture. Make your whipped coffee. You're now going to use a hand whisk and whisk it for around 5 to 10 minutes until it reaches a creamy, cloudy consistency. If you're lucky enough to have an electric mixer, that will work too. Just put it on a low setting and let it do the work. And this is what we're going to end up with. Isn't that a beautiful, cloudy, creamy, whipped coffee mixture? Now that your whipped coffee is made, you're going to add around 1 cup of ice to a clean glass. Then simply add around 1 cup of your favorite vegan milk to the glass. We used almond milk for this recipe, but any other vegan milk would work great. Now you're just going to pour that thick, cloudy, whipped coffee cream on top. Look at that. Finally, give it a stir to your desired consistency and enjoy. Remember to subscribe for all my easy plant-based recipes. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and I've also got this recipe on my blog at plantu.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.